Hello, here Akhil Srivastav teaching you Maths of class 10th, third chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. We know in class 9th standard form of linear equation in two variables. One variable we have finished. What is the standard form of linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, but a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Reason: if a and b any one will be 0, then this term will be 0. Or b is 0, then y, then it will change into one term. And linear equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand. Equation means equal sign is present there. So left hand side is called ax plus by plus c, and right hand side here 0, where x and y are the variables. The values of x and y which satisfy the equation called the solution of the equation, which you know in class 9. Find the 3 solution, 4 solution, 5 solution, write in standard form a, b, c. This you have seen in class 9. So the values of x and y, which value is satisfying the equation, is called the solution. So like this, any value if you put 1, then here x you put any value, you can get the other value. So if two values are given like this, 2x plus y is equal to 4. One equation example in which x is equal to y and y is equal to 1. You want to check whether it is solution of this equation or not. Now for this we will put the value in LHS, left hand side. Left hand side I am putting at the place of x1, at the place of y1. 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. But what is the right hand side given? 4. So right hand side is 4, LHS is 3, so LHS is not equal to right RHS. Therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is not the solution of the equation. It is not compulsory the values must be solution. If you plot the graph of this line, you will get this point will not lie on it. Not the solution means it will not lie on the graph of this, which is given in class 9th we have seen. Let another solution, x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 is the solution of this or not. Again you take LHS, put the value at the place of x and y, you are getting 2 1 are 2 plus 2 4. RHS is 4. So right hand side is also 4, left hand side is also 4, then both are equal. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is the solution of equation. Like this we can get infinite solutions of the any linear equation in two variable. How many equation? Infinite solution. Or you can say that a point lies on the line is the solution of it, or a solution is always lies on the line. So solution you can get by putting, which we know in class 9. Geometrically it is algebraically values. What is the geometrically? Geometrically means we will draw a graph. We will draw a graph. When we draw a graph of linear equation, you will get a straight line. Same line I am drawing it. Then we can check. Then check. First 1 is not lying on the line, but 1 comma 2. 1 means it is a coordinate geometry. We know in class 9. X comma y. Coordinate means location of point on a number line, x axis and y axis. So x comma y. Here 1 and 2 I have got the another solution. 1 and 2 the solution. So we can write this name x comma y 1 comma 2 lies on the line. So this result you have got, it means all the solution must lie on the line, or every point on the line represent the solution of a equation. For this you will draw a line 2x plus y. How will you draw the plot? First of all we make a table in class 9. Get a solution at least 2. Minimum 2, but I have find the 3 here. How? Put the value x any. But you try to put the value which gives you the result in whole numbers, not in decimal. Try to get the result in whole numbers. So I am putting 1, 2 1 ja 2, 4 minus 2 gives 2, 1, 2. X you take 0 by your willings. Any value you can take. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, any. If you take minus 1, then it will be 5. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2 will go that side. Plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So minus 1, 6. Here minus 1 you will get the here 6. 4, 5 and then 6 it will mean. So like this 3 values I have got. X equal to 0, then y will be 4. X is equal to 2, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4, 0, y is 4. I have got a table. It is not compulsory, but this table is compulsory for your examination. For 9th standard I am drawing. So on a Cartesian plane, that you know in class 9, we will take a graph. In the graph there is a 1 centimeter is divided in 10 small squares. So first of all we will see that 1 centimeter, you will take a straight line by the scale, you draw a line, and then we will plot a points like this. You are drawing it, and here I am taking horizontal line is called the x dash, y dash. Then you will put 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. 1 unit is equal to 1 exactly. So first coordinate is 1, 2. Where is the 1, 2? 1, comma 1 we will take first, and then go here, put dot and circle. 0, comma 4. On 0 you will get 4, put the full dot here and circle it. And the 0, comma 4 and 2, comma 0. It is what? 2, comma 0. It is called 2, comma 0. So 2 then 0, put the dot, and then by scale you join the dots only, not circle. Like this you will join it, dots only. And join and produce both the side, and it is your, write the equation on the line, it is your graph of this equation. You are getting a straight line. Here you can check 1, 1 is lies on the line or not. Here I have told you, you can check here 1, 1 is not lying on the line. So you take 1, comma 1 here, 1, comma 1 is this line. It is not lies on the line, so it is not the solution. 2, comma 1, 1, comma 2 is the solution. 1, comma 2 is the solution, but 1, comma 1 is not the solution. So this is very important thing. Next topic we will see 2 linear equations in a 2 variable together. When you take the 2 linear equation, then what will you get? 2 linear equations, how will you get? 2 linear equation in 2 variables together when you are taking, then it is called pair of linear equation in 2 variables. It is your 10th standard portion. So here you are seeing first standard equation is generally ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So for this you are getting 2 means a1, b1 and c1 will be changed. X, y as it is. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to, it is called the simultaneous equations. Together you are taking simultaneously on the same plane. So it is, this expression is called the algebraically expression in the form of variable. But when you plot in the geometry copy and the graph copy, which is called the geometrical representation of the graph. So these all the values a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, but a1 is not equal to 0, b1 is not equal to 0, a2 is not equal to 0, b2 is not equal to 0, or both sum will be not equal to 0 in the square form. In class 9 we know the graphical geometrical representation of the linear equation. One chapter is here. So any one line is always linear equation give a straight line, no any curved line. If it is curved, then it means something is wrong. You never get the any curved line for the linear equation. If you draw a pair of linear equation on the same plane, the same page, we will draw in the 2 lines. So what will be the possibility, that will know in line angle chapter of the 9th standard also. There are 3 possibilities for drawing a pair of linear. Pair means 2 lines together on simultaneously same plane. So 3 conditions arises. First, it may intersect at a point, common point. So this common point is called the solution, which is called unique solution. intersecting line. What are the? Maybe intersecting line, may does not intersect, means not intersecting lines. In that case, when you produce indefinitely both the side, you will not know any common point is there, so it has no solution. It is also called consistent. One more name of this is consistent. In the next exercise we will see consistent, and it is called inconsistent. Inconsistent, another name. Inconsistent means there is no any common point between these, all are different and they have never meet after producing a both the side. So it is called not intersecting line. So the are parallel lines. What is called parallel? No solution. Third probability is what? Maybe the equation of first, all the solution is solution of the second, so they overlap each other, and this is called, third condition is coincident. What is called? Coincident, overlapping. Both the lines are together, you see here. And it is many solution. All the solution of the first are also the solution of the second, or all the solution of the second are also the solution of first. Line is there, both the side head, both the side you produce, so it is called, also called consistent. What is called? You are getting the solution. So two cases are consistent. One is the intersecting, one is overlapping or coincident. So this you are seeing. In this we will see both two type of representation. In this chapter we will see algebraically and the geometrically. In the algebraically representation, any example you are taking, x plus 2y is equal to 1, 2yx minus y is equal to 7. I am writing in the form of these two equations I have taken. It is called algebraically, algebra. Algebraically expression is this given. Plot it, plot the graph of it, or represent this geometrically, means you plot the graph. It means first equation you write here again, and this first equation you find three, at least two, otherwise three solutions by putting the value of x by your willing. You can change this. 2y is equal to 1 minus x, so y is equal to 1 minus x. Y in term of x, it is called y in term of x. You want, then you can change, put the value x here. 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 by 2, 0. Minus 1, when you put minus 1, plus 1, minus minus plus, 2 by 2, that is 1. 3 you will get 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So like this you will get three solutions. Similarly for second, 2x minus y, again you can write this in the form of 2x minus 7 is equal to y. Y I am taking that side alone. So it is y in term of x. Y alone, other is here. Put the value of x any. 0 then minus 7. 3 2 ja 6, 6 minus 7 minus 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 3 minus 3. You are getting three solution, and now you plot one line first. Draw a graph. If you have plot full graph, but you have not written x, x dash, y, y dash, you are authorized to get the 0 marks in board examination according to rule. So please keep in your mind, you always see that your graph is accurate, but their axis is written, they are not. If axis is not written, then you will get what? X, x dash, y, y dash you must write. First of all you draw and take a proper scale of both. 1 centimeter distance I am taking, and then first of all 0, 1. Here 1, 0, 1 then 0. It is 1 and 0. What is called this? 1 comma 0. Then another is minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1. Another is 3 comma minus 1. Then by scale you draw it, write the name of the line. Another 0 comma minus 7. 0 comma minus 7 down. Then 3 comma minus 1. It is a common point. 2 comma minus 3. Then put the scale like this and draw it. After drawing it, you will write down 2x minus y plus 7. Without writing the name of the equation, you don't do anything. So you are getting the two line which is intersecting at one place. It is a common point and it is called the solution. It is called intersecting lines, unique solution. And what is the solution? X equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. It is your answer. If the question is given, solve it. So you write this must. If your question is given, represent it. So no need to write this, only represent and leave it. It is your equation. So like this you will get next we will see another example. Another example I have taken x plus 2y is equal to 4, 2x minus 4y is equal to 12. So for x plus 2y is equal to 4, I have taken x separate 0, 4, 6. Directly you can take or convert. You are getting 2, 0 and minus 1. Then another equation, second equation, you have plot the graph 0, then 3, 2, 2, 6, 0. 6 2 ja 12, 12 minus 12, 0. Like this you are getting. So all the solution, first you draw the line axis at 90 degree in the graph paper that you know. Put the axis y dash, x dash, 1, 2, 3, everything you write. Then start to plotting of the 0, 2. First one, 0, 2, 4, 0, this, 4, then 0, put dot and circle, 6 minus 1, 6, then minus 1, put the dot. After this, by the scale, you join it, write the name of the equation, then start second. Second you take 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 0, 6, 0. Then you again by scale draw and write the name. Both are never intersect after producing, so there are no solution, no any common point between them. It is called the parallel lines. So there is no solution. If you solve it over. You are not getting any answer. You are getting a parallel line which has no solution. Third example I have taken overlapping. X plus 2y is equal to 4. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. When you take 2 common in this, again you will get the same. But don't take. I have taken 2 graphs. One I am taking 0, 2. 4, 0 and 6, 1 by this equation. Putting 0 here, you are getting 2. So after this, I have plotted 0, 2, 4, 0 and 6 minus 1 and then draw a line. After drawing the line, I have written the equation name. Now start the second. 2, I have taken here 0, 4, 6. I have here not taken 0, 4, 6, but both equations are same. After simplifying it, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, you are getting same equation or not? So you try to get the different values here. 2 3 5, I am getting 2 1, 2 1, 3 0.5, 5 minus 0.5. So you are getting all the point lies on the same line and this line is here. Under this I am writing the name. It means both are overlapping. You don't know where is the line. Both are overlapping lines. What is called? It is called inconsistent. What is called inconsistent means overlap. Overlap here little infinitely many solution coincident. That is inconsistent is in the form of other. Here I have written infinitely many solution coincident, or you can say that overlap, and it is also inconsistent solution. Overlapping lines are overlapping. With the help of this you will solve the exercise. You will solve the exercise 3.1. These 3 type of the graph only you will get. These 3 type of the graph. One is this, one is this, or another is this. Intersecting, or parallel, or what is overlapping. Inconsistent 3.1. After tells to his daughter, 7 years ago I was thrice as old as. So it is, you know the question. Here it is given the exercise 3.1. Aftab tests. All are seeing the question, I hope. So you are getting, I was thrice of your age. So how will you get? Let the Aftab present age be x, his daughter's present age be y, present age. So 7 years ago, all like this. I am, if 10 year, 50 years, then 7 years before I will be 50 minus 7. If you are 14 years, then 7 years before your age will be 14 minus 7, like this. 7 years ago, Aftab x minus 7, daughter will be y minus 7. First you write like this. ATP. Condition first is according to problem first. Aftab age will be this year, daughter's age will be this year's. Then condition is saying, Aftab is saying I will be 7 times of you. Aftab is equal to 7 into this. 7, 7 is 49. Open the bracket, transpose. Your answer is coming x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. It is this is your final solution. Equation number 1. 3 years from now, Aftab is again saying 3 years from now I will be thrice as old as you. You means daughter. Aftab saying 3 years after, first of all don't see that this line. First you write the age after 3 years, 3 more than present age, x plus 3, y plus 3. So Aftab will be 3 into daughter. So x plus 3 into y plus 3. What will you get? Open the bracket, 3 is 9 here. Transposing, you are getting this equation, final equation second. Both you write together and it will be your algebraic form. What is called algebraically representation is over. In this exercise 3.1 it is given, represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically is over, now graphically. What will you see? You take the graph. First of all, you find, for graph you must want this table. Minimum 2, I have written 3. X minus 7. So I am writing y in term of x. Not necessary, you direct put the value and you can get. So minus 42 that side, 7y that side. So x plus 42 by 7, separate x by 7, 42 by 7, I am getting x by 7 plus 6. It means x will be multiple of 7. 0 I am putting, getting 6. 7 I am putting, getting 7. Minus 7, 5. Similarly, for second equation, x minus 3y, 6 will that side, 3y this side, you get this equation. 0 upon 3, minus 2. 3 upon 3, 1. So 1 minus 2, minus 1. 6 upon 3, 2 just 6, 2 minus 2, 0. You are getting this? Now what will you do? I am taking graph directly. In the graph, you first of all, it is not necessary all the quadrants will be same. What is your requirement? According to this you plot. I am taking the minus sign is less, so I am putting down. So you draw x dash. Here x I have written and x dash, y dash. Put 1, 2, 3 till 7. Maximum is value. You see what is maximum value here? 7 negative, 7 positive. In x minus 7 plus 7, so minus 7 plus 7 I have taken. Y you check from here and according to this you draw. First you plot one line. 0, then 6, 7, first one 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, put dot and circle, minus 7, 5, minus 7, 5 and scale you join. When you produce this line indefinitely like this, both the line, one line here and one line here, after some time it will meet. You are not seeing it is a meeting here. It is a intersecting line, but your question is not giving that you what type of line you are getting. Your question is saying what is the representation, only represent, no answer is asked, so no need to write anything. You plot it properly, put the equation here and write. Second question is given. Second question, a cricket coach purchasing bats and ball. So he has purchased first of all 3 bat and 6 ball. So let the one cost of bat be rupees x, ball cost is rupees y. So ATP first, 3 ball, bat and 6 ball. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. 3 is common in all. So your final answer x plus 2y is equal to 1300. ATP second, another bat and 3 balls means x into 1 x, 3 into y 3y, together 1300. It is algebraic representation is over. Now for graphically you will take by this, but in the form of not 1 2 3 you write 100 200 300 500 600. Try to get not 1200 because there will be very long line. So what will you start from middle of 1300? 700 is the 750 is the middle, 650 is the middle. So some less, some more. According to this you plot. 600 I have taken. 13 minus 600. What will you get? 700. Half of the 700 will be 350. Similarly 700, 600 by 2, 300. So like this you take the values. This value by your mind. It is not given or anyone, any teacher will not tell you. It is your, but you don't take 1, 2, 3. If you take 1, 2, 3, there here will be a decimal and very big values and difficult to draw. Scale I am taking. 1 unit I am not taking 1, I am taking rupees 100. You can take 200, 50, anything. So according to this, maximum rupees is 700. So according to this, I have plot x-axis positive 800, negative 200. Here y positive 800, negative 400. Then plot the graph. It is also you are getting nearly meeting. When you produce it, you will get it meet. So it is also called the intersecting line. How 600? On 600 you are getting 350. How will you get 350? Here 350 is not given. So I have measured 1 unit is equal to, so like this you will get 600. 600 I have got 600 here. 600, 350. How? 600 you are getting like this 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Like this you will get. On graph it is very easy to find. Light line is 0.5 and dark line is 1. So you draw the line on the dark line. So according to this you plot, you are getting this graph. Third question and the last question is this. Cost of the apple and the grapes. Apple cost x, grapes cost I have taken y. 1 kg, 2 kg apple, 1 kg grapes, 2x plus y, 160, it is ATP first. Read the question. It is given the 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes. So 4 into x plus 2y is equal to 300. Simplify. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 15. Slowest term you write. It is algebraic expression is over. Now you will get this graphical representation. Graphical again you get, but don't get 1 2 3. You 10 multiple of 10 you put here. Scale you write down 1 unit is equal to rupees 10. I have started nearly half of 160, 80, 50 you can get, 60 you can get. Try to get small values. So like this I have taken, that you also see. And then I have, because it has all the positive, so negative quadrant is not needed. So how will you choose? Very small graph copy I have divided like this. Positive quadrant big and very small negative, but you must show at least 1 in the negative, 2 in the negative or 1 in the negative, both the side. It is very important. Otherwise you can't. Here you are getting the parallel lines. Not coincident, it is what? No solution. Never, both the side never it meets. So like this you are getting your first 3.1 exercise is over. You have seen what type of the graph, what type. Graph is very important. At least one question you will get in your board examination. Very important. Generally student forget to draw the graph. Any difficulty in the drawing graph, I have told 9th you have seen. How will you plot? Scale you have. Simply 1 centimeter, 10, 20, 30, 40. Suppose you are writing 50, 60. You first see the 50 on x-axis, then go up till 60. And put the dot and circle, join all and produce. That's all for today. We will meet for the other discussions. Thank you.